Good morning everyone and welcome to the tutorial. After you have installed the Timetable software on your computer, you can open it. I've been using it before, so that is why it is showing like this. So I will just click continue. So when I click continue, this is where it will show you something like this. We have can create a new timetable. You can do a lot of things here. Okay, now we are going to create a new timetable. Now on your own software, because you are new, this is the page it will first of all take you to. So the first thing you are going to do here is to enter the name of your school. Enter the name of your school. Like the name of my school is St. Clair's Girls High School. Okay, the academic year is 2025/2026. For the registration number, now this software has a paid version. We are using the free version. The paid version is quite expensive. So I will not advise you to go into that now, except for a private school that have the money. It is very good, you can do that. So for the free version we are using, there will be some kind of restriction on how far we can go, but I can assure you it's still very good. Can still use it in a very good way. Now the next thing, periods per day. If your school, if you have, click on it. If you have 8 periods per day, click it. 7 periods per day, 9 periods per day, click it. Okay, I'm going to click 8 periods per day. Okay, 8 periods per day. How many days? 5 days. Okay, there's no weekend. 5 days. The bell times, that like the short break and the lunch break, and the bell time, the first period time, the second period time, and blah blah blah. So click on it. This is the first period. The first period, according to this, starts from 8 to 8:45, and the lesson is 45 minutes. We have to change this because I believe most schools, they are practicing, they are using 40 minutes. Okay, if your own is not 40 minutes, use the one that is applicable to your school. So double click on it. So when you double click on it, it will give you something like this. So name of the period, first period, short, 1 period, that's the first period. This short means that is a short form of the name. You don't need to call it any name, just put one there. That's the first period. It starts from 8. If your own doesn't start from 8, pick the appropriate ones there. Our own starts from 8:10, so I'll pick 8:10. If your own starts from 8:30, pick 8:30. So if your own starts from 8, pick 8. The end time, it will end at where, at when? If our own is 40 minutes, if your own is 45 minutes, add 40 minutes to 10 minutes, or 45 minutes to 10 minutes. So whatever I give you is what you are going to put here. So if I add 40 plus 10, that's 50. So it will end by 8:50. So the first period will end by 8:50. Okay, so I'll do the second one also like that. When you are just starting, it may look stressful because you are just starting designing the timetable. But with subsequent process, every time, you don't need to come back to this stage again. You will just be updating the timetable. So it's very easy like that. When the teacher leave, you can update it, you can adjust it anyhow. So it will not be stressful like this. But when you are just starting, it can be stressful because you need to customize the page so that it will be easy for the computer to generate the timetable. Now for the second period, the end time for the first period, the one we did the other time, 8:50. So this one will start from 8:50 to from 8:50. Okay, let's add 40 minutes to this. That will be 9:30. So it will end by 9:30. Don't forget, this one ends by 9:30. The next one will start from 9:30 like that. 9:30, 9:30, 9:30 to add 40 minutes to it. That will be 10:10. That will be 10 10. That is how you are going to do it for all of them like that. So when you are through with everything, you can see here we have add breaks. Add breaks. So you can add the breaks, the short break if you have it, the lunch break if you have it in your school. So we can call this one short break for those that have a short break in their school. I can make the short form to be short. Let's use short. The position of the break, is it before fourth period or before fifth period, something like that? So let's say it's before fourth period, or let's say before, yes, fourth period. Let's say before fourth period. It depends on your school. So it depends on what you are using in your school. So if it is before fourth period, you will now look at the time of the third period. The third period ends at when? The third period ends by 10:10. So that means the break will start by 10:10. 10:10 to what? That will be 10:10 to that's what? 10:10 to, if it is 10 minutes, let's say it is 10 minutes, you know, it's short break. Let's say it's 10 minutes, it will end by 10:20. Okay, it will end by 10:20. So you can see now that is the short break. Then the lunch break, let's say you want to put the lunch break before, let's say before 7th. If you want to put it before 7th, lunch break or long break, anyone, long break. Okay, so let's call it long. Want to put it before the 7th period. Okay, so you can see that depends on the number of hours, adjust it, and that will be all on that. So you can see, so that one is set like that. So you can press OK. You can press OK. So now that you have done that, you can now move to the next stage. Next, you click next. You click next. So let me end the video there. So I will start from here in the next video. Thank you.